everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over the Dewalt 60 volt Flexvolt Blower. Model number is DCBL722. This is a super powerful blower. It does have a little bit of weight to it. I would say it's more weight than like the Milwaukee, but it's very powerful. A lot of CFM, moves a ton of air. As far as use goes, the only feature it really has is it's got a handle trigger lock, so if you push that down, it's just gonna go, so you won't have to hold the trigger. Otherwise, it does have a trigger which you can feather. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to win this set, don't forget to subscribe. We will be giving this away to a subscriber at the end of February 2023. Being as small and new of a channel as we are, you probably have a pretty good chance of winning it if you subscribe. So please don't forget to subscribe. This is for a 18 volt brushless drill driver with a 2.0 battery, a bag, and a charger. Thanks again, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery in it, which also again doesn't help the weight on these guys, but if you're looking for power, guys, this is your blower. You can tell literally almost just from the sound of all the air whipping through it. And it literally wants to go backwards as you pull the trigger on it, but that is the Dewalt Flexvolt Blower, guys. Really hyper powerful. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. We are giving this Milwaukee M18 drill kit away at the end of February to a subscriber. Thanks again, guys, for checking this video out. I'm going to go ahead and show you this tool, and we'll get on to the next one.